Your question is find the derivative of the function. What they have given 3 cot x plus 5 cosec x. Now first we simplify it. So what is that cot x? Cot x is your what? Cos x by sin x. That we will write 3 cos x by sin x plus 5. Now cosec x is 1 by sin x. That means 5 by sin x. You can see sin x is common. That means it's a LCM for that. So what you will get? We will get 3 cos x plus 5 by sin x. Now we will go for our derivative. That is your what? D by dx is of this. Now what we will do? Just we will take numerator as u and denominator as v. This is equal to u by this is equal to v. Now we will write the formula for that. What is your derivative of u by v? That is equal to, we can say it's a derivative of u, that is your u dash into v minus derivative of v into u by v square. For our formula we need derivative of u and derivative of v separately. So first we will go for a derivative of u. That is your u dash. U dash is what? You can see here. Derivative of this. Only numerator. We will get d by dx 3 cos x plus 5. That is equal to what? This is our constant. Constant will come out. It will be 3 d by dx of cos x plus 5 plus 5. Or you can say derivative of that 5. D by dx of that 5. We know that derivative of constant is always 0. That means this is equal to 0. Now we will find out the value of this only. That is equal to u dash is equal to what? 3 into, now we know that derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Minus sin x. This is equal to minus 3 sin x. Now we will find out the derivative of only sin x. That is your v dash. V dash is equal to d by dx of sin x. We know that derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Now substitute this value in our equation. What we will get? We will get u dash. U dash is minus 3x minus 3 sin x into v. V is your what? Sin x. Minus v dash is your cos x. Into u. U is your 3 cos x plus 5. By v square. V square is your what? Sin square x. Now you can see here minus 3 sine square x. This is equal to minus 3 sine square x. Here minus 3 cos square x minus 5 cos x by sine square x. Take minus 3 as common. What we will get? We will get sine square x plus cos square x. And here minus 5 cos x by sine square x. We know that sine square x plus cos square is 1. Therefore, minus 3 into 1. We will get what? Minus 3 minus 5 cos x by sine square x. Now split it. What we will get? We will get minus 3 by sine square x minus 3 by sine square x and minus 5 cos x by sine square x. This is equal to what? You can see 1 by sine square x is what? Cos square x. Cos x square x, sorry. Minus 3 cos x square x. This is equal to minus 3 cosec square x and here minus 5 cos x, and this is sine square x, that means sine into sine. So cos x by sine x is cot x. Cot x and remaining is 1 by sine x, that is your cosec x. Therefore, this is your answer.